This message is being transmitted at the request of the Pocatello Police Department and the Idaho National Laboratory for the following areas/counties: Bannock County, Idaho, until further notice. At 10:20 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, authorities at Idaho State University reported a small quantity of weapons-grade plutonium missing. Plutonium is a radioactive material that is used in the process of making a nuclear weapon. While the amount of plutonium missing is not enough to make a nuclear weapon, a bomb can be created to spread the material when detonated. The Pocatello Police Department has issued a shelter-in-place order for anyone within 50 miles of the area, in compliance with the United States government, until further notice. To shelter in place: close all doors and windows. Shut all vents, air ducts, and air conditioning. Seal off cracks with duct tape. Make sure that you have enough food and water available for your family. The material is believed to be contained in a small clear box labeled with a radioactive material sticker, and a label which reads, "Property of Idaho State University." If you find this hazardous material, call 911 immediately. Do not come in contact with the material, as it could still be radioactive. If you come in contact with the material, wash the area affected in warm water for 15 minutes, and seek medical care immediately. This is WXL33. We will continue to broadcast updates as soon as they become available. Stand by for a message from Idaho Governor Tommy Alquist.
Ladies and gentlemen, Idaho Governor Tommy Alquist.
Greetings. It is I, Tommy Alquist. I have just been informed of the ongoing emergency in Pocatello, Idaho. I advise the residents in the area to remain calm. Please take the following precautions stated by your local officials. Your life is not in immediate danger, as the hazardous material is not enough to make a nuclear weapon. However, as previously stated, it can be used to create a bomb to spread the material upon detonation. Remember, your life is not in immediate danger. Your local officials will inform you if a threat to life is about to occur. Thank you, and stay strong, Idaho.
This concludes this emergency broadcast. Stay tuned to local news stations, such as Local News 8 and KVPI, for more updates.